Hello everyone, good day. In this video, I will show you how to generate the IR8A file and how to share it with your employees using the Just Login payroll system. Let's begin. First, make sure that you are logged in using a payroll administrator account. Once logged in, go to the left panel and click on the payroll module. After that, click on the IRAS menu. This page allows you to submit to IRAS directly without leaving the Just Login system. However, in this video, I will guide you through the full process of generating the IR8A form and releasing it to employees. Before generating the IR8A form, you need to check whether Appendix 8A or Appendix 8B applies to your company. Appendix 8A is for benefits in kind given to employees, while Appendix 8B is for share options granted to employees. To update Appendix 8A and Appendix 8B, go to this page where you'll see other forms with a drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down and select Appendix 8A or Appendix 8B, then update the fields on this page accordingly. If you need a step-by-step guide on how to update these appendices to appear on the IR8A form, we have a separate guide available. If these are not applicable to your company, you may skip this step and proceed with generating the IR8A form. In the IRAS submission details section, start by selecting the correct tax year. Next to it is the payment type, which is grayed out. For the form or export type, make sure to select IR8A form from the drop-down list. For the organization ID type, please make sure you select the appropriate ID type for your company. There is a drop-down menu where you can choose the correct option. For the source type, there is no need to make any changes in this section. On the other details, under Batch Indicator, choose Original. The batch date is usually the current date, which is the date you are generating the file. If applicable, you may also enter the division or branch name. If Appendix 8A or 8B applies to your company, make sure to tick the appropriate box. Otherwise, you may leave them unticked. Next, review the authorized person details. These details, such as name, email, designation, company name, and phone number, are usually taken from the payroll configuration page. Make sure the information is correct. However, if there is a need to update it, you can also do so directly on this page. Once all fields are completed, you can proceed to select the employees. You will now see the list of employees who have access to the payroll module. Simply tick the box beside the names of the employees you want to generate the IR8A for. If needed, you may exclude employees with zero income. You can also filter between active and deactivated employees, although this is usually for active employees only. After selecting the employees, click the green Generate button. The system will then redirect you to the IRAS history page. Here, you can review the file you just generated. You will see the form type, tax year, batch date, batch indicator, status, total users included, number of successful and failed records, and the name of the admin who generated the file. The status will first show as pending and will change to completed once the generation is finished. Under the Actions column, you will see three icons. The first icon allows you to download the file to your computer. The second icon, which looks like a paper plane, is used to release the IR8A to employees. If you would like employees to receive a copy via email, you may tick the option to send the IR8A form via email after release, then click the Release button. You will receive a notification confirming that the release was successful. The third icon is the trash bin, which allows you to delete the record if necessary. Once released, employees will be able to view their IR8A form in their account. Now, let me show you how employees can access it. From the employee account, they need to go to the payroll module and click on My Payslip. If the user does not have admin access, this will be the only payroll menu available to them. Next, they need to click on the My Tax Documents tab. There, they will see the list of IR8A forms for the respective years. To view the form, they simply click on the IR8A link for the selected year. The system will open the form and automatically download the PDF copy to their computer. This is the same file that they will receive via email if the admin chooses to send it through email. And that completes the process of generating and releasing the IR8A form, as well as how employees can view and download their copy. Thank you so much for watching.